Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Tere's Kitchen. So on today's recipe, I want to show you on how to bake and decorate a cake. It's so simple. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. So for this recipe, I've used 2 cups of self-rising flour. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. After that, you're going to add in half a cup of sugar, but you can put less or more according to whatever you like. Then you're going to put some food color. I've used red tomato food color. You can use any food color you want. After that, you're going to mix all the dry ingredients well. After all the dry ingredients are well combined, you'll put that aside. Then you're going to crack in some 4 eggs. Then you're going to mix them well until they are well combined. After that, you're going to add in 1 cup of cooking oil onto the eggs. Then you're going to add in 3/4 cup of buttermilk. For the cake flavor, you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. After that, you're going to mix all the ingredients well so that they can be well combined. You'll then pour the egg mixture onto the flour. After that, you're going to whisk until you form a smooth batter. Your cake batter should be as smooth as shown in the video, and at this point you should have preheated your oven for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Then you're going to pour in your cake batter onto a cake tray as shown. After that, you're going to pat it to remove excess air bubbles, and then you're going to bake it for 40 to 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Then after 45 minutes, your cake should be ready. So you'll use a skewer to test if the cake is well cooked. So you're going to pop it in, then and remove it. If it comes in clean, your cake should be ready. Then you're going to remove it and set aside so that it can cool before we start icing it. As you can see, the cake turned out so well and it looks so moist and delicious already. While the cake is cooling, we're going to make some cream for icing the cake. So we're going to use 2 cups of whipping cream. After that, we're going to add in 1 cup of icing sugar. Then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence for flavor, but you can use any other flavor. It's not necessarily the vanilla essence. Then we're going to whisk the cream until You'll whisk the cream for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it is smooth and stiff. Then we're going to transfer it in a piping bag ready for icing the cake. As you can see, our cream is ready for the cake icing. It turned out so well, and now let's start icing the cake. Guys, I'm not a professional baker, so if you see any mistake, kindly feel free to correct me. Now this is the final look of our cake decoration. Guys, I'm not a professional baker, but I'm really happy with the results. On a scale of 1 to 10, kindly rate this cake decoration on how it turned out. So let's cut the cake and see how it is inside. I'm also curious, so let's cut and see how it turned out. This is the moment you have all been waiting for. Let me just say, I'm very proud of myself because this cake turned out so well. It was so delicious. For those who tasted, they can attest to this. Guys, thank you so much for watching this recipe, and kindly give it a try and let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can bake their own cake at home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. I'll meet you in the next upload. Bye bye.